have some royal burgundy bush beans that I bought yesterday and some extra yellow bush beans, so let's plant them. I'm filling in any empty spaces in this bed. I had some seeds not germinate and some that came up missing entire tops. I'm gonna make some holes about an inch deep. It's generally recommended to do about 4 inches apart for bush beans, but I like to test my limits to get tighter than that. Now you'll notice that I'm placing some holes directly next to those bush beans that are missing the tops. When these new ones pop up, I'll cut back the old ones while making sure I keep those roots in the soil. This is because beans are nitrogen fixing, and along their root nodes, they store nitrogen. So as the plant dies, it's going to release all of it back into the soil, further feeding the surrounding plants. Now for the royal burgundy bush beans. I'm so excited for these. They're purple. Look at that. Purple is my favorite color. I go out of my way to find like varieties I don't usually see in the stores and things that look interesting to me that will also taste good, which is why I like the Cherokee Wax yellow bush beans. Ooh, I was not expecting this color. Wow, those are pretty. Like they like a pretty peach. Again, I'm doing the same thing here, and I'm kind of making sure that I spread these out evenly, mixed in with the yellow bush beans so that they're not all just grouped together and they can kind of be spaced out. That way, everywhere I look, I just see a mix of yellow, green, and purple. I think that's going to be so beautiful. Alright, we used all of them, so I'm going to cover these with some compost now. Little cinematics for you. It's about time to renew the nutrients in the soil anyways. I think the compost will help give them an easier time coming out of the soil. My problem with that last batch may have been that the topsoil was way too heavy, especially because of those big pieces of mulch in there. So I do believe this will help keep it from getting as compact as it was before. Sometimes you literally just have to conduct experiments to see which works better. So since my topsoil didn't do the job, we're going to see if this does the job. Now we can water these in, and we want to make sure to keep it moist throughout the entire germination process.